Let us know about the location of the grasslands. Already we discussed about the landscape of the grasslands in the last class. Now, location of this grasslands. The prairies of the grasslands of North America, this part is flat land without trees, which we call in North America the grasslands or prairies. So these grasslands are the land is flat, there are no trees. This land is without trees and located in the central part of North America. These prairies are located in the central part of North America, and this place is between the Tropic of Cancer and Tropic of Capricorn, that is situated in the central part of North America. Prairies are the grasslands of North America. Okay, first this is used for growing grass. Now this place is this region is growing wheat, biggest wheat production in this land. Now this region is the biggest wheat growing place. Before that there is a grass, this is a grassland, grows so much grass in this area. Now this region is the biggest wheat production place, so much wheat producing in this region. I will show you the picture of this wheat harvesting. See in this picture, this is the wheat harvesting. In North America, this grasslands becomes wheat harvesting place. Now here wheat plants growing, wheat cultivation is taking here. Wheat grows in this region. Okay, what is the climate? How is the climate this region? Grasslands have typical climate. Grasslands have typical climate. That means already I said in the last class, very hot in summer and cold in winter. Very cold in winter, very hot in summer. That is the climate of this region. Very typical climate. There are only moderate rainfall. That means insufficient rainfall. Only some of the rains falls in this region. So this area receives moderate rainfall. Very few rains. So which season is suitable for growing grasses? To grow grasses, the summer is suitable. The summer season is suitable to grow the grasses in this region. This is the climate. And where are the prairies? Prairies or the grasslands grows in North America, located in the central part of North America. Okay, this region is now wheat production takes place in this region. Wheat is growing in this region where prairies grown. What is the climate? The climate of this region is very typical because summers are very hot and winters are very cold. Here this area receives moderate rainfall, very scanty rainfall. So the summer is suitable for growing this grass. Next come to the vegetation. Vegetation, here prairies stretched over hundreds of kilometers. This grasslands is stretched to hundreds of kilometers. Hundreds of kilometers only grass growing. Which grass? What is the name of that grassland? Prairies. In North America it is called prairies. Can we see the trees in that areas? In that region? No, we can't see the trees. Only grass we can see. When this grass grows in spring season and changes into hay in autumn season. Grass grows in spring season, changes into hay in autumn season. The grasslands are very short and clusters. These grasslands grows very short and clusters. First, this place we discussed in the last class, this place was used for animals grazing. One animal name I told you. What is the animal name? Bison. And now here This land is used for grass. Corn is produced in the eastern part. In the eastern part, corn is produced in the European countries. Here, wheat in the central part. Which is produced in the eastern part? Corn. Corn is produced in the eastern part. Wheat is produced in the central part. Wheat grows in the central part. Corn grows in the eastern part of North America. In the western region, the place is used for cattle rearing. Western region, the place is used for cattle rearing. Here, two rivers are there. Which are the two rivers? Missouri and Mississippi. Missouri and Mississippi are two rivers to grow this grass. Okay, some trees grow in the banks of the rivers. Which trees? Willow, elder and polar. These trees found on the banks of rivers. Which trees are found on the banks of rivers? Willow, elder and polar. Okay, river Mississippi and Missouri and Mississippi are the two rivers flow in this region to irrigate this land. Okay, here river Missouri. See, observe this. This is the river Missouri and this is the wheat harvesting. Okay, this is the vegetation of the grasslands. What are the grasslands in North America? Prairies. These prairies, the grasslands where it is located in the central part of North America. Now this region is biggest wheat production. Wheat is growing in this place. Before that, region is used to grow grass. What is the climate of this region? Grasslands have typical climate. That means summers are very hot and winters are very cold. There are scanty rainfall. Only moderate rainfall is there. So summers are suitable for growth of grasslands. Vegetation prairies stretch to over hundreds of kilometers in this region. There are no trees in this region. Grasses grow in spring and change into hay in autumn season. The grasslands are very short and clusters. First, this land is used for growth of animals grazing. And corn is produced in the eastern part of this region. In the North America, eastern part, corn is produced. And wheat is in the central part of North America. And the western part only for this place is used for cattle rearing. Here two rivers I explained, Missouri and Mississippi. These two rivers are the sources to irrigate this area. Okay. Some trees grows on the banks of the river, willow, elder and polar. These trees grow on the banks of river. Okay children, this is the location, climate and vegetation of grasslands. The next class we will learn more about this lesson. Okay, thank you.